Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make butter using milk cream. Start by chilling heavy cream in a jar or mixer to keep things cold, which helps fat separate. Pour cream into your chilled jar or mixer and shake or whip until solids form and buttermilk separates. Strain, rinse the butter under cold water until water runs clear, then knead and salt to taste, and store in a sealed container. I will explain each churning step so you can follow at home with minimal fuss. Begin by bringing cream to a cold but workable temperature and choose shaking for small batches or whipping for speed. Watch for curds and separated liquid. Once you see solid clumps and cloudy liquid, keep going until clumps consolidate. Drain the buttermilk, then press the butter in cold water to remove residual liquid before salting and shaping for storage. Next, I will help you refine texture and flavor with a few simple techniques anyone can do in a kitchen. After rinsing, knead the butter to expel remaining buttermilk and test texture. Add salt or herbs to taste for flavor. Chill the shaped butter to firm it, or form small pats for quick use. Label and store in a sealed container to maintain freshness and prevent absorption of other aromas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.